welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. If you're new here, my name is Zach and this is Zach 2 Turn. Make sure you hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my adventures, cruising, Disney, anything in between. I'll be doing it here. And today I'm just really excited to do this video. I've been really excited a lot, obviously, but I'm really excited to do this video because I got a new filming camera. I don't know why it took me so long to say that. Camera for my upcoming cruises. I'm really excited. I can't wait to show you all what it is. I think it's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna get some hopefully get some really great footage for you. So let me show you. Here it is. I got, let me just take it out of the pack. Not the packaging, but the plastic. I got the GoPro Max! And for those of you who don't know what this is a camera made by GoPro. They make all those action cameras. They can go underwater, you know, get really great shots, 4K, all the above. But this one not only has a camera on the front, but also has a camera on the back there. So I can get 360-degree footage if I want, which is awesome. And I think it's gonna be so cool to do. I have a lot of plans for it. So yeah, so that's this box. So my GoPro, I'll open it in just a little bit, but I'm really excited about that. And then I also got in this little package, let me see here. I got the Handler floating grip, because we all know how I am and I lose things. So I want that just to make sure if I lose it in the ocean that it'll float. I also got, oh come on. Oop, there we go. I also got a battery and a battery charger, so I can charge 2 batteries actually in once with this little charger thing right here. And I got an extra battery because I do know GoPros don't hold the best battery if you're constantly filming. I think it's about, I don't know, I think it's like 2 hours honestly, so it's not really that long at all. Maybe a little more than 2 hours, but of constant recording obviously, so that'll get me a little bit longer than 2 hours, but I just want to make sure I have enough. I don't want it to die because I'm really excited. I want to take it on excursions, I want to take it on snorkeling, to the beach, I want to do like 360 footage of the boat. Like, I'm just so excited for it. I can't stop talking about it. But anyway, and I also got an SD card that came with it. So also though, a really cool thing, I actually got all this for cheaper than the regular price of the GoPro Max because I got a coupon from Unidays, I don't know what it is, but anyway, something with the student, I don't know, I saw it online. I always am searching for coupons, so it popped up and said, you know, take 20% off of your purchase or whatever. So I got all of that for less than the price would have been for just the GoPro Max at standard price. So let's open this little bad boy. Okay, so you're gonna pull this right here, I think. Pretty easy. Throw that back in the box. And then we're gonna open it this way, this way, this way, and then I don't know how to do this. Okay, well, a little technical difficulty, but we'll figure out. That's fine. I don't want to rip the box. Let's just push it out. Okay, so I ripped that. Let me feel like this should just... Oh, got it. Oh! So you just gotta put a little force into it when taking it out, but here it is. So it comes like this. It comes on a little standy thing for you, and you can like unclip it. And then the bottom here obviously has some goodies in there. So let's take a look at those first. So it comes with, I guess a stand thing, kind of has like a double-sided sticky thing, so you can stick it somewhere. A battery. These lens covers, so you can like pop them on in case you're traveling or something and you don't want to scratch the lenses. Because I do know, I have heard that these lenses are a little out in the open, I guess you would say. So you just want to be careful with it in extreme conditions. Charging cable, and then what this is, it's like a little baggie. Got a little traveling bag, and in it I can feel something. Oh, cool! It comes with like, oh gosh, it comes with these little like bulby things. Oh, hello. These bulb things are put over your camera. So, okay. So that was what is in the box. I'm pretty sure there's nothing else except the manual, obviously. Protective lenses is what I call them. Yeah, protective lenses. So, I think this just kind of is a little, yeah, this is just about the protective lenses. So, I don't know if there's an actual like, oh, there is. There, don't fear, there is an actual manual. So you pull up the front part here, so it's at the back, and that's where, ooh, it all just fell. Cool. Okay, I'm back. I picked it all up. So you do get the big manual, you get stickers, you get GoPro Plus. Well, you don't get it, but they talk about it. They have the app and just quick, I guess a quick easy guide on how to do it. I noticed that the slide the door all the way up until there's no gap and then lock it. Don't use to slide the door closed. Oh, don't use the lock to slide. Oh, okay, so it's just how to lock it, unlock it efficiently. Warnings. And then need help. So that's what comes in the package. Let's get this thing off the, okay. Oh, so I think you're gonna twist this. Okay, I think. Okay. Yes. I don't know if this slides off. You know, it helps if you read the instructions. I could have just slid the whole thing off instead of unscrewing because on the back here, if you can see, it tells you the instructions on how to do that, but I wasn't reading. So, well, whatever, we got it off, and it was awesome. So here is the GoPro Max. Online I heard it was kind of like bulky, I guess, but I don't think it is, honestly. I think it's just like a normal, I mean, I guess I'm used to this G7X Mark II, but this, I mean, it's bigger than my old GoPro, but it's definitely not huge by any means like I thought it was gonna be. So I don't think the battery's gonna work right now, but I guess we could always see and just see what happens. I don't know. Okay. If not, I'll definitely have to do, you know, another video on my first filming with this. Oop. GoPro. Oh my goodness. This is what it looks like. It's having me, I know you can't really see, but it's having me select my language. Legal stuff, I agree to. GPS, sure. Turn that on. GoPro app, I have that. Let me get my phone. I don't know if I have my phone on me though. I thought I probably did. God, I'm a mess. It found my GoPro. It found my GoPro. Connect camera. Oh yes, pair. Woo! We are change GoPro name. Yes, I'm gonna change this to Max Zax. This kind of rhymes. Done. Ooh, doggy. Okay. Wide digital lens. See how much of a scene is wide, linear, wide, max as, oh, this does capture a lot. It does. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. Okay, well anyway, I am so excited for this camera. I love it so far. I think it is so cool already. Just oh my gosh. On the app, maybe I need to update my GoPro app. I don't know. Anyway, you could see both the screens at once and it was awesome. It was like a circle. So I don't know exactly what to do with this. I don't really know what all it entails. I know I'm just gonna use it a lot. I'm so excited. I love it already. I'm not gonna do any like test footage or anything because honestly, I'm not a professional GoPro vlogger. I don't professionally use the GoPro. I just know I wanted to get 360 footage when I was like snorkeling, when I'm on the boat, when, I don't know, just whenever I kind of want the 360. I wanted the waterproof feature. I wanted the good camera picture. I just wanted everything and I just thought it was awesome. I got the coupon. My mother gave me some money for Christmas and a little early Christmas present, and that's how I got this. So I'm just really excited. I can't wait to show you all just some footage from my cruise on it and just use it for you. So I hope you like this unboxing. I've never done an unboxing. It was really awful, but whatever. I was too excited to even care. So if you like what you see and you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below. Give this video a big thumbs up, and we will see you next vlog for Vlogmas. Bye guys!